Hey everyone, it's Fleda here, and I am here painting today. So I thought it would be really fun, relaxing, just to take some time and paint, and hopefully you all will paint with me, or you can paint something else, or you can just get inspired to be creative today using this video. I'm mostly going to put on some music, but basically what I'm going to be doing today is using a Let's Make Art kit. So this is really fun. I got the subscription kit. This one is for the one in August. They do 3-month subscriptions, they do monthly subscriptions, and then they also sell like individual packs as well. So I got this in the August subscription. It came with this water lily watercolor tutorial, the zebra, the city, and these palm fronds. So these are the other ones that were available in the August one, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the water lily. It's just a nice bright color palette that I thought would make me feel better and make me try to relax today. One of the things that I love about these subscription kits, this is not sponsored by the way, I spent my own money on these things, is you get the watercolors, and so they combine several watercolors for these kits, and they pick a color palette that you can work with all of these. So there's 5 paints in here, and you can see here on the tutorial sheet which paints you would need. So you would need the emerald green, the orchid, the space blue, and the yellow ochre right here. And then there's also a Payne's Gray that's not needed in this one, but it was needed in one of the other ones. It tells you the brush sizes that you would need. I have a whole bunch of brushes here, so I'm going to go ahead and pick out the ones that they suggest. You can play around with others as well. And then they also have a YouTube video at letsmakeart.com/collection/kit, and it's on their YouTube channel as well. And they tell you step by step how to do it along with this sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in and get started. I am going to use the graphite paper that comes with it so that I can trace this outline, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Okay, and here is the final product. So I love the Let's Make Art tutorials. They're very clear, very precise. It's really helpful for someone of any caliber of artistic ability. They're very, very awesome tutorials and awesome prompts. So I'm really excited about this one in particular. I took my own little creative liberties and made some a little bit more purple, some a little bit more pink. But here was theirs, and here is mine. So I really needed this time because the world is nuts, and I really needed some time to myself to relax. So I watched the tutorial, I listened to some music on the background, and I hope that this video is fun for you all. If you want to see more painting videos and you want me to make something else using this type of color palette, please let me know in the comments below, or let me know what you want me to paint in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good one. Have a great weekend. Hopefully this was a distraction from the world when you needed it most. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.